Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to make your photos brighter using Photoshop. So let's begin with just placing the photo. So we're gonna make a new template. I'm gonna be using these ones. This is what I use for my thumbnails. You can change it to 1080p if you want. I'm gonna be using 720p, so I press OK. Then I need to place the image. For this example, I'll be using a dark photo of New York. So let's place it right now. I think that's the one. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so as you can see, this photo is very dark. I don't like how it looks, so I can change it really fast. So I go to layer, new adjustment layer, brightness, contrast. I press OK, and I can change it. I can make it darker now if I want to. I can make it very light, So I'm gonna be making it 112. And guys, I know this looks very rough and it has black spots, but this is a rough example, so you can do it for any other photos, and I'm gonna show you one of the examples right now. So let's just save the photo. So if you want to save, you just go save as, you type your thingy, then you go JPEG or you go PNG, and you save it, and you're done. This is an example of a thumbnail I would use. So this is a side by side comparison of the brightness contrast. This is without the brightness contrast. You see how dark it looks, and this is with the brightness contrast. It just makes the image look more light, Yeah, anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like because it took a long time for me to do this, and also subscribe because why not? I release good content and it only takes 1 second, guys, come on. And anyway, peace out.